Hi, I am Maria from Crochet Fashion. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please join me, and in today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet my unique stitch pattern. For work I will use 3mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. Make a chain of 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My foundation chain is ready. Here how it looks. Then chain of 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook. Make half double crochet. And half double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Pattern consists of 5 stitches and pattern has 2 rows. Keep working this way till the end of this round. My row of half double crochet is ready. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of my unique stitches. Make chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Toward the work. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to work on my super stitch based on this double treble crochet stitch. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair. I will count from the top. Make double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Well done. Insert the hook into the second stitch in a row, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My super stitch is ready. My stitch based on 3 stitches. Then chain of 2. Pattern consists of 5 stitches. Yarn over the hook 3 times and make double treble crochet stitch. I skip 2 stitches. Insert the hook into the third stitch, make double treble crochet stitch. I am making the same stitch. Let's repeat one more time. My super stitch based on double treble crochet stitch and yarn over the hook, make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, and 3. I skip next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, and pull through 2 loops. I have done 2 of them. Then make chain of 2. Then make treble crochet, skip 2 stitches, insert the hook into the third stitch, make double treble crochet stitch, and so on. Pattern consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows. I added 3 stitches for more beautiful look and plus 2 stitches in a row. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete it. I'm done a row of super stitches. This stitch based on 3 stitches. Pattern consists of 5 stitches plus 3 stitches for more beautiful look. Let's complete this row with me. Make double treble crochet stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Then I'm going to work with row of half double crochet. I remind you, my pattern consists of 2 rows. One of them is a row of my unique stitches, and the second one is half double crochet, chain of 2. For the next row, it is going to be chains to bring up the yarn, turn the work. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through all loops on the hook. Make first half double crochet, 2 and 3. Then 2 half double crochet into the chain space, and 3 half double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete this row with me. Let's complete this row with me. It was a row of half double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch. This is the first stitch from the top, or the fifth one from the bottom. Make half double crochet, and this is the back side. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of unique stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. Make a chain. My unique stitch based on double treble crochet stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. 1, 2 and 3. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My first stitch in this row is ready. Continue. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook 3 times, and make double treble crochet stitch into the third stitch. Make a chain and double crochet, not finish. 1, 2 and 3. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the next one, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain of 2, and so on. Keep working this way till the end of this row. So you should repeat pattern as many times as you need for your project. That's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. It consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows. First one is my unique stitches, and the second row is a row of half double crochet. My unique stitch based on double treble crochet stitch. You can use this pattern anywhere, from the blanket till the decoration for kitchen. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please visit it. Please subscribe to my channel and write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my stitch pattern. Also, you can experiment and replace a row of half double crochet to the single crochet or just double crochet. See you next time, and bye!